Hello and welcome to the channel. My name's Anthony, and on today's short episode clip, we are going to walk through the process on resetting the oil service reminder on a 2020 Ford Escape. Once you've located yourself inside the vehicle, you're going to push the start-stop button one time. It's located on the right side of the steering column, and then using the thumb pad on the right, just push OK to go through the messages that pop up. Next, you're going to thumb down on the OK button until you get to information. Once you get to information, it has the little eye icon with information in the top of the left screen. On that same thumb pad, you're going to push menu, and then scrolling down with the OK button, you'll go down to oil life and hit OK. Reset oil life, and then hold OK. Once you hit OK, hold OK, it'll reset the oil life to 100%, and that's all you have to do. Again, this is on a 2020 Ford Escape. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.